In this video, we have to fix the NVIDIA Game Filter support game require error. So first, we need to NVIDIA Game Filter only works on supporting games. If you have games not supporting, filters not work. So first, go to settings. Yes, click it, and in this feature is there. Click features, and first NVIDIA overlay is there. You need to enable the NVIDIA overlay. So click the NVIDIA overlay. Yes. After clicking this, scroll down and come to games and app. Okay, yes. In this scan now is the click scan now and scan it. Yes, your new profile is found. So after this, go to notification, and in this you need to enable the driver updates and available rewards. So driver update is important, and come to about in early access option into the access beta or experimental feature is that you need to turn on this one. So after turn on go to driver settings. Yes, driver settings, go to driver, and in this you need to check for update. So yes, update is available, so I'm clicking on downloading it. So wait for a few seconds, it will download and install. And also if you have if it's not working, then you need to go to your driver settings and need to update the settings in this. And if still in same condition, you need to one before think about it. After doing all the things, you need to reset the PC. So after resetting, it will be more good, and it will not, that will not repeat it. So once again, if download is completed, so now it's preparing for installation. So wait for a few seconds. Yes, now click install and click continue. Yes, so after installation completed, I'm already told you need to reset. Yes, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.